Since 2000, IMET has successfully helped hundreds of companies manufacture profitably in America. From the smallest PCBs to 4-foot circuit boards and longer, IMET uses machines built for today's technology along with a variety of tools to ensure the highest quality assembly.
They can create accurate and functional representation of their clients' designs.
Electronics are everywhere, even in places you least expect. Manufacturing is where it's at. Come on, guys!
So my role at IMET Corporation is I'm the founder and president of the company. There's nothing cooler than to be able to design a product, prototype it, and manufacture something that goes out there into the market. So we have a great staff here at IMET. What makes them successful and what makes them different is the fact that we have a different culture.
I definitely learn different things every day. I think that's the most enjoyable thing, especially after school. I still learn every day on the job, you know, different projects, different challenges. It really helps me grow and I enjoy that the most.
What do I think's cool about manufacturing? Again, just taking a pile of parts and making something functional out of it.
And whole world is depend on electronics.
Well, you get to see what you can think of. So from concept to production, it brings the mind and the hands all together.
Where's watching the cat?